Alright, this video is helping you to make graphs out of the data that you have that I've emailed you. So there's a link on the email that I've sent for this which goes to a website called NZ Grapher, and so we're going to make our graphs in there, and this is what it looks like. When you click on the link you get to NZ Grapher like this. And so what you want to do to start with is just get rid of that thing, and we need to put our data into this website. So what we can do is we go data and we go paste table. Okay, and it sets a little window like that up. So what we need to do now is we need to go to the spreadsheet that I sent you that we got our data in, and so I'm going to open it up. Here it is, and we need to select, yes, so from cell A1 we need to select all the data. Go down until we get it all, and then do copy, and then we go back to the website and we just paste it. Paste. There we go, and it should be all there, and then you press import, and you can see now here is all the data. Now from there, so all I did was copy and paste into there. Next we need to get the graph type, so it's written down here, see where my mouse is, and I'm going to click on that, and I want to have a dot plot and box and whisker. I'm going to press that, and nothing's come up yet because I need to select the variables. So we've got to select what number variable that you want, and then we'll do the groups. So for instance, in this one, if I wanted to do personal income, for instance, I'm going to click this thing down, and I'm going to do personal income. There it is, in thousands of dollars. I click there, boom, there they are, and you can see that some people have got none. This is in thousands, or it might be a little hundreds of dollars. Well, it's not even going to be that, tens of dollars, up to some people are getting a bit of money working part-time. Now I need to split that into two groups, so I might want to be looking at whether they have access to the internet or access to a mobile phone. So let's try access to the internet. Boom, and there we go, there's my two groups, so yes and no. So then I come over here and I've got the dots, but I don't have the box and whisker. So what I can do here, it says graph title, so I might do I might call it personal income, and access to internet. There's a nice little heading, and I can update my graph, and you can see there I've got a nice little I've got a title there now, which is nice. Now, so I want to have things I need to click here. I want to have the summaries. So over there is my minimum, my lower quartile, my median, mean, upper quartile, max, and there's some other things. And num there is the number of dots I have. So I've got 31 dots here, and in that group I've got 46 dots. The other thing, SD, don't worry about that, that's standard deviation. We're not doing that in year 11. So now I need to put another thing. I'm going to put box plot, and actually I might stack dots. What does that look like? Oh yeah, there we go. And I've got my box plot on there, and you can see my two groups here. I can make in comparison. Now you can put a hide box plot if you want. That's just that up there, but I think just leaving it on top is fine. The only other thing you might want to put on there is a mean dot. I'll just scroll down, a mean dot, and it shows you where the mean is, everything else. And so there you have your graph. Okay, so what do you want to do from there? Most likely you want to screenshot it, and so there's different ways to do that depending on your computer. So, and I'm going to screenshot it. I don't know what you do for a Mac, but for me I can just screenshot that. Lots of people use snipping tool or something like that, so I screenshot it and then I can put it wherever I want to put it. Okay, so that's what you need to be able to do. If you can do that, that would be great.